I returned home late from my first day of testing the iPhone X. My significant other sent me sound clasps over iMessage from the children after I sent them pictures of myself, now clean shaven. OMG. I can't perceive daddy. I couldn't perceive myself either. In the mirror, I looked smooth, similar to another form of me. I felt helpless. I had shaved my facial hair to test Face ID, Apple's new technique for opening your iPhone by basically taking a gander at it. Be that as it may, what might it resemble in broad daylight, on TV, when I embrace my children? To begin with, huge individual changes feel awkward yet engaging. Everything appears to be changed yet additionally conceivably invigorating. My smooth face was the ideal illustration for my involvement with the iPhone X, which, beginning at $999, £999, or $1,579, is Apple's most costly iPhone ever. The 10-year commemoration iPhone feels the same, however extraordinary. Irregular, yet great. I've been rotating between the two emotions in the course of the most recent few weeks. What's more, you, future iPhone X proprietor, may feel the same. In any case, extreme it out, on the grounds that following a couple of days, you're most likely going to like where you wind up. Editor's note, December 22, this survey has been refreshed with nitty-gritty battery testing data. The expansion of the battery rating has marginally balanced the general rating from 9.0 to 8.9, still 4.5 stars. The audit likewise incorporates November 14 refreshes that additional increasingly extra data on toughness and waterproofing tests, camera testing, and general use. You can likewise look at our prior impressions of the iPhone X.